This is the most basic of hats, and you can attach just about anything you want to this. This is called the helmet. I've taken a 260 and inflated it with just maybe a 1/4 inch on the end. And all you do is, once you get it inflated, you measure the person's head. Let's say their head is that large. And then you come around to where that would intersect and just twist that around a little bit. Then with what you've got left over, you bring it across the top to the back side, twist a little bubble there, and then twist that in, and it will lock itself in place automatically. And this goes over their head, and that is a basic helmet. And then you can attach things sticking out from it. You can take a dog and spread his legs out and slide him over this before you attach it to the back. You can put anything you want, but this is the basic helmet hat.